If you hate playing to a metronome and just want to record something in, you can do so and let Logic Pro do the rest. Here's how. You can use free recording to play something in and let Logic Pro do the rest. That way you can play at the tempo that you feel comfortable at. To do that, you use this button up here. You may need to turn it on by customizing the toolbar first, like this. Then you press this button, the free record button. You don't get a countdown, by the way, so start playing when you're ready. You can press space to finish the recording, and then you'll get asked a few options. You can choose two here, either the average tempo or the region tempo, and you will assign these to the overall project tempo. Average region tempo will find one tempo that fits the region you played as best as possible, whereas region tempo will create a dynamic tempo or a tempo map that will be applied to the project that you've got so far. So there's going to be lots of different tempo changes. It's up to you which mode you prefer. Personally, I prefer to have one tempo throughout the song, but you can choose. So this works if you're just starting a project off from scratch. What if you've already got a project with a few little bits already in there? Well, it's easy. You can just take that audio that you record in, then you can take the tempo from that region and apply it to the rest of the track with your stuff that's already in there. So that way you can just play the part at whatever tempo it feels comfortable to you and where it feels right, and then you can make everything else sync with that. Let me show you how. After using the free record option, you choose the option that says apply region tempo to project tempo. Or you can do it the other way. You can take the project tempo and apply it to the region tempo. With both these methods, you may need to apply some tweaking after, like moving the start of the region or the end of the region, or you might have to move the first downbeat so it lines up at the start of the bar. And although it's at the right tempo, you still might want to quantize it too. So there's that as well. And this feature works both with audio and with MIDI. Cool, I hope that solved a problem for you. If you want more Logic Pro tips like this, then YouTube is suggesting you watch this video. Thanks for watching, see you later, goodbye.